Do ductless heat pumps work in cold climates like Paltz New York and the Hudson Valley? You bet they do. Who cares what the weather is doing outside when you have a Mitsubishi Mini Split System? Introducing the modern marvel, the Mitsubishi Hyper Heat Ductless Mini Split. Now you can stay warm inside even when it's freezing outdoors. That's because the Mitsubishi Hyper Heat Ductless system supplies major benefits to your home. Can it heat your home even in the coldest of winters? Check. The Hyper Heat system is efficient even when temperatures drop below zero, all the way down to 13 degrees below. Is it Energy Star rated? Check. Mitsubishi Hyper Heat offers ultra-high efficiency ratings. Can it help save money on utility bills? Check. Many homeowners report saving 50% or more on their utility bills. Mitsubishi Hyper Heat Ductless Mini Split Systems provide many benefits, including zoned control. You can heat and cool one room, one area, or the whole house. Who will you turn to for ductless heating this winter? The team at Rycor, of course. They're the leading ductless contractor in Paltz New York and the Hudson Valley, a Mitsubishi Diamond Elite contractor and recognized as a Ductless All Star. Call 845-742-5110 today.